Okay, right now we can see that I'm noting the PM buy side liquidity and I'm bearish here, so I definitely want to see the first presented fair value gap right here act as an inversion. Right here actually it can be a short. As right now in hindsight looking back, I can see the wicks are rejection, and right now that displacement right there confirms a short. Okay, here is the first chance to short. As you can see, there's a CB right here. I'm typing I want to see it drop from here, and dollar is also trading higher. So right now just waiting for the new day opening gap to be used to go lower entry, and we can see it's immediate rebalance, and it confirms the immediate rebalance by displacing. So actually I'm going short with that fair value gap, trading for continuation in the new day opening gap. As you can see, it touched the 0.5 level, which is the midpoint of the opening range gap. Definitely there could be my lowest hanging fruit target. If I trade one contract, I'm going to take that as my target. Yeah, this is the improvement for this trade. Definitely there is a balanced price range, which means I want to see price just rejects it like that. And yes, so that long wick right there, that can be another entry if it does so, but the fact that it does not reach there, that's weakness. Yeah, as you can see, we traded down to the opening range gap midpoint. Noted that 72, and right now trading in the silver bullet time. So there we go, okay, partial right now at low hanging fruit, which is the lower quadrant of the opening range gap. Yeah, that's like 10 points. Good move right there, paying the trader, that's what I like. So shifting stop loss, risk is reduced. Okay, as you can see right here, it stops me out, and yep, there we go. Yeah, so the first presented fair value gap, that was a good entry, and the one afterward, that one was a good one also, but yeah, I entered with one contract only, so I had to just manage my stops, and that's about it. Right there could have been an entry also. As you can see, we dropped sharply. Yes, after it touched the fair value gap. Yeah, definitely I would have ticked that entry if I hadn't been stopped out in the balance. As we can see, it worked towards my drawn liquidity, but then I just told myself enough, because right now actually I'm looking for another execution. This is just demo, but yep, I shorted at the Tuesday first presented fair value gap, and also we have a silver bullet CB right there, nice displacement. So yes, there we go. Yeah, just to remind you that all these are just demo. Okay, it's just demo, just to show you guys that as long as you know the draw, you can just trade. But I have already I have already gained my part for this trade, and I wasn't just confident enough to use live fund, so I just practice with demo. But as you can see, it did pan out beautifully. Low resistance run, very beautiful, very nice, and this right here I'm highlighting should act as an immersion right now. And we can see that everything is outlined as how I want it to be. But if you ask me, do I regret not using live funds? No, I do not, because I already paid myself, and enough is enough. Because at some point, trading is always like that. You're gonna leave things on the table, like what ICD say. You're not going to exit good enough, you're going to miss entries. But ultimately you can see right here that yes, if I had risked some more, I could have made it all back plus profits. But it is what it is, and I just thought that it's time to stop for today and just study. And it pans out like that, and yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the ability to read price right now. And yeah, beautiful trade. Just I did not participate, and right now we're going to see here that 5572 gets stacked. Yep, and there we go. So you can be right but wrong. You can be right but not profitable. Okay, this is just trading. And you can be wrong but right also. Like you can be wrong about the direction but profitable. Yeah, so that's it for this trade review. And yeah, definitely I feel like yes, I can read price, and it's just about practice. And yeah, the reason why I did not use live fund is I just deemed that it was enough for the day. And yeah, that's it. And there's no fear of missing out or whatever, because all this thing repeats. It repeats, and it will never stop working as long as there's a market. Also, I believe. See then, good trading. For my first trade, I think right now, for me, is the baseline for any trade should be 2 contracts at least, okay? So I can take partial and, you know, at least have a way to pay myself rather than full pooling. And also leaving one contract as trading big runs. That is what currently I'm going to work on.